If you thought the GLP-1 weight loss drug market couldn't get any crazier, think again. Pfizer and Novo Nordisk are locked in a $10 billion bidding war over a small but powerful biotech named Metsera, and it's turning into one of the most dramatic pharma showdowns in years. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here's what's happening. Metsera is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company developing next generation treatments for obesity and metabolic diseases. And at the center of all this attention is its lead drug candidate, MET-097. MET-097, also known as MET-097I for the injectable form, and MET-097O for the oral form, is an ultra-long-acting, fully biased GLP-1 receptor agonist designed to help control appetite and improve blood sugar levels. Here's what makes it special. First, there's once-monthly dosing. You heard that right, once-monthly dosing. Unlike most GLP-1 drugs that require weekly or even daily injections, MET-097 is being developed for monthly use. Secondly, the advanced technology. It uses Metsera's proprietary Halo platform, which extends the drug's half-life to about 380 hours by allowing it to bind to albumin in the bloodstream, meaning steadier results and potentially no need for dose titration. I'll say that again, potentially no need for dose titration. Third, the strong early results. In phase 1 and phase 2 trials, MET-097 showed significant weight loss compared to or even better than top drugs like Wegovy, which is semaglutide, and Zepbound, which is tirzepatide. And finally, future combinations. Metsera is also testing combo therapies, including pairing MET-097 with a long-acting amylin analog called MET-233I, aiming for even greater weight loss and metabolic control. It's easy to see why Pfizer and Novo Nordisk both want this tech. It could be the next big leap in obesity treatment. In September 2025, Pfizer announced its plan to acquire Metsera for about $4.9 billion, hoping to finally gain a real foothold in the booming obesity market, projected to hit $150 billion a year by the next decade. But then came the twist. Just weeks later, Novo Nordisk, the makers of Wegovy and Ozempic, made a surprise $6.5 billion bid, setting off a high-stakes bidding war. After several days of back-and-forth offers, Novo Nordisk raised the stakes to a massive $10 billion, offering shareholders $62.20 per share in cash plus dividends. Pfizer countered with $8.1 billion, but Metsera's board called Novo's offer superior. Pfizer didn't back down. Instead, it filed 2 lawsuits in Delaware. One claims Novo and Metsera breached Pfizer's merger agreement. The other accuses Novo of anti-competitive behavior, arguing the deal would give Novo, already one of the only 2 companies selling GLP-1 drugs, too much power. Pfizer CEO Albert Bourla even called Novo's move an illegal attempt to do an end run around antitrust laws. Novo Nordisk denies that, saying its offer complies with all laws and represents a major investment in the U.S. biotech space. Meanwhile, the Delaware judge has just suggested that she may not interfere, saying it's better to let the auction play out for Metsera's shareholders. Grab your popcorn, everyone. This is getting good. So why all the chaos over one biotech startup? Because Metsera's MET-97 could redefine what's possible in the GLP-1 drug class, offering longer-lasting, easier-to-use treatments that could reduce side effects and improve patient compliance. For Pfizer, acquiring Metsera could finally get them into the obesity treatment game after previous setbacks. For Novo Nordisk, this is about defending its dominance and staying ahead of Eli Lilly, whose Zepbound is quickly eating into its market share. So what's next? Well, Pfizer now has until the end of Wednesday to match Novo's $10 billion offer or risk losing Metsera entirely. Regardless of who wins, this fight shows just how high the stakes are in the global race for the next generation of obesity drugs. So what do you think? Should regulators stop Novo's deal, or should the market decide? Drop your thoughts in the comments and make sure to subscribe for more updates on the future of weight loss drugs, GLP-1 innovations, and the business behind them. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.